Hey YouTube family, how you doing today? Today is a beautiful, beautiful Saturday. We're getting ready for a big catering event down in Richmond, Virginia. I am super excited. I've been doing all kinds of videos today, but today, and one of the things that I've been requested to do often is my Texas Twinkies. And some of you may be thinking, what is a Texas Twinkie? Is it deep fried? Is it a Twinkie? Is it the shape of Texas? It's none of those things, guys. What a Texas Twinkie is a jalapeno stuffed with cream cheese, cheddar cheese, and chopped brisket, wrapped in bacon, and seasoned with It's Incredible right on top. And after that, you've got two ways you can make that bacon cook. You can either do it in the oven if you don't have a smoker, or you can throw it in the smoker. And if you choose to do the oven version, you can just set it at about 350, 400 degrees and let it run until the bacon is crispy. It's that simple, guys. So for today's recipe, all you're gonna need is jalapenos, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, and brisket. Luckily, I've got my vacuum sealer, and any leftover brisket that we may have during the course of a month or 2 months, I vacuum seal it, throw it in the freezer, and I just simply get some water, bring it to a rolling boil, put it in there for about 15 minutes, and guys, it's exactly like you just cooked it. It's amazing. That's how you properly reheat some barbecue. Vacuum seal it, take away all the air, and then throw it in the freezer, and it stays up to a year. Amazing. So here we go, guys, and let's not forget your Heaven-Made products. You can go check out Michael Petrie at www.heavenmadeproducts.com. Highly recommend you guys checking them out. We will be utilizing It's Incredible today. I may even throw in some smoky jalapeno. You know what? I am. Plan B. Let's get some. Hang on. Let's do this, guys. Let's throw on some smoky jalapenos on the jalapenos, and let's just mix it up a little bit. Let's do it. Now that we got all these cleaned out, and don't forget the Texas T, you just simply cut in about a ½ inch from the top, halfway down, then cut the big long T part here so it opens up. And when you open it, make sure you don't force it open because it will break. So you open it nice and gently, take a spoon, get the ribs out of there and the seeds out of there so you don't make it too hot. And now let's wash them, get the rest of the seeds out, and get ready to make the stuffing. Let's go, guys. Here we go. Let's give the old taste test. There's nothing better than a jalapeno popper. And these Texas Twinkies to me are the next level because of the cheddar cheese, because of the rub, and because of the smoke that you kind of put behind it. Fantastic, guys. That layer of smokiness. And I also, on this very last one, I put a little bit of Richards River, West Virginia Smokers. There, he has a new rub through Heavenly Made Products. So I'm gonna put the link right up here as well. So if you guys go check out Rich's River, West Virginia rub, you're gonna like it. He's got a couple different rubs out there. He's got some sweet heat, which is what I used here. Delicious, guys. Worked so well with the jalapeno and the bacon and the cream cheese and the cheddar cheese and the brisket. Man, guys, thank you so much. Cheers to you. Have an amazing Saturday. Remember, life is about love, family, passion, and barbecue, y'all.